I found 6 secret open source tools that replace thousands of dollars of paid subscriptions and API credits. These GitHub gems are pure gold for any workflow. Get ready to upgrade everything. Let's roll. First up, meet excalidraw. Ever struggle to explain complex ideas? This virtual whiteboard transforms thoughts into instant hand-drawn diagrams. It captures your raw ideas. Every line feels organic. Diagrams look natural, not stiff. It's like sketching on paper, but better. And here's the wildest part. Collaborate with anyone, anywhere. Your brainstorming sessions are private. End-to-end encryption keeps everything secure. It runs light on any device. Works 100% offline, no internet needed. Zero API keys. Completely free. MIT open source. Excalidraw is your ultimate visual thinking tool. Grab it now from GitHub. But hold on tight. Our grand finale project? It rewrites AI rules. You won't believe what it does. Coming in at number 2, meet RTK. This tool tackles a massive problem. Large language models are expensive. Every token costs you money, especially when they read huge, messy command line outputs. RTK is a smart CLI proxy. It intercepts your commands, it filters out the noise, it sends only the critical data to your AI agent. This slashes your token usage. We are talking 60 to 90% reduction. That's real money saved instantly. And here's the wildest part. It is a single Rust binary. Zero dependencies. This means lightning fast performance. Minimal system overhead. It runs like a ghost in the machine. Your AI agent gets clean, precise info. This powerhouse consumes tiny memory. It works 100% offline. No API keys needed. Ever. It's free forever. Under an Apache 2.0 open source license. Total control. Maximum privacy. RTK supercharges your AI workflows. It cuts costs. It boosts efficiency. Grab this on GitHub from the description below. Also check out their website, rtk-ai.app. If you love powerful open source tools, drop a like right now. Landing at number 3, we tackle digital chaos. Your operating system's file manager, often a clunky bottleneck. This open source power-up transforms how you interact with your files. It's not just a manager, it's a digital control center. It does all the heavy lifting automatically, in seconds. Tabbed browsing like a web browser. Dual panes for side-by-side power. Drag and drop lightning fast. No more endless window juggling. Just pure, efficient flow. And here is the wildest part. It also lets you tag, search and filter with surgical precision. Customize everything. Themes, layouts, every single detail. This isn't just managing files. It's mastering your digital domain. It runs on tiny memory. Works 100% offline. No cloud dependencies. Your data stays private. And it's completely free. Forever, under an open source license. Total control, zero cost. This tool is a game changer for anyone tired of digital clutter. Grab files on GitHub from the description below. And for daily tutorials and cutting-edge AI workflows, remember to visit junoverseai.com. That's junoverseai.com. Landing at number 4, stop bookmarking 50 sketchy converter sites. Every developer wastes hours searching for random online tools. IT-Tools puts 70 essential developer utilities under one roof. Decode tokens, generate hashes, and format JSON instantly. Your sensitive tokens never leave your local browser session. You get clean converters, color pickers, and regex testers without annoying ads. Spins up in seconds using one simple Docker command. Tiny memory footprint. Works completely offline with zero API keys. 100% open source. Grab the Docker image from GitHub and level up your home lab. Which daily converter tool do you search for the most? Drop your answer in the comments. Taking spot number 5 is ShareX. This open source beast turns your screen into a canvas. Capture any moment, instantly share it. No more clunky tools. It does all the heavy lifting automatically. Capture regions, windows, even scrolling pages. Then send it anywhere. No manual steps. Just pure flow. And here's the wildest part. It also lets you add text, arrows, effects. Edit on the fly. Upload images, text, and files. Even record GIFs. One tool does it all. This powerhouse runs on tiny memory. It works 100% offline. Zero API keys needed. Completely private. And it's free forever. An open source license? Total freedom. Stop juggling a dozen tools. Grab ShareX on GitHub. Link is in the description below. Don't miss out on more mind-blowing tech. Hit that subscribe button now. Join our journey. And for our grand finale at number 6, we have Khoj. This isn't just software. It's your personal AI second brain. Instantly recall any piece of information from your documents, from the entire web. Khoj hooks into your entire digital world, your personal files, your web history. It pulls knowledge from everywhere. It answers your questions like a super-powered digital assistant. And here is the wildest part. It turns any LLM into your personal autonomous AI. Build custom agents, schedule deep research, automate complex tasks. It's an extension of your own mind. This powerhouse is self-hostable. It works 100% offline. No API keys needed, your data stays private. And it's completely open source for absolute control and freedom. Khoj is the ultimate knowledge amplifier, a true game changer for personal AI. Grab this project on GitHub from the description below. Then let's recap the full countdown. Whoa, open source just makes everything better. From drawing ideas to smart helpers and super tools, it's all here. Which one are you grabbing first? Subscribe for weekly drops and find links below. And visit junoverseai.com.